All right, ma'am. You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay? Driving the wrong way down the street with a baby in the car.
It started as a routine traffic stop, red light, wrong lane, a confused driver. But what the officer noticed in the next few minutes wasn't just a traffic violation. There was a Dania Beach, Florida, quiet intersection, rush hour, and a woman who had no idea her night was about to fall apart.
Before I even initiated my traffic stop, before I turned my lights up, you were in the middle of the intersection. You had stopped in the middle of the intersection. You ran the red light and continued to sit in the middle of the intersection. Okay. With that being said, step out of the vehicle for me. Yep, you can take your seatbelt off. You're stepping out of the vehicle for our safety, for your safety, because I believe at this point you might be intoxicated. You are not listening to any of my instructions. You ran past the red light. You didn't stop. You continued forward, and you cannot answer simple instructions. Okay, step back here. Is your driver's license in the car? Yes. Okay, is there registration or anything to the vehicle? Yep, that's fine.
Yeah. Where's your driver's license at?
My driver's license is in my purse.
Can she get it for me?
Yeah, she can get it.
Okay. Ma'am, can you do me a favor? Can you... Oh, baby.
I know, sorry. I asked her to do me the favor to take me to his dad because it's his time to get off my car, so. And that's his dad calling right now.
What's that, ma'am?
She was doing me the favor of taking me to his dad, and so he's like, he was crying, so I wasn't paying attention to what she was doing. That's on me. His little backpack.
Okay, let me go ask.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Sorry, if he cries, I'm like.
No, he's fine. Which bag is it in? There's like 4 of them over there. Because there's the big one she just looked in, and then the smaller one
The
that's
rectangle small one.
the one with your makeup in it.
Yes, there's makeup in it. It's rectangle Steve Madden.
Okay,
No,
but
I'm
it's
sorry,
okay. All right, she said it was in this one. Mark Jacobs is the. Is it the Mark Jacobs? Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Thank you. You have. She has to be 10:15 at the jail. I can't do my evaluation.
I'm gonna
toss
this one.
Okay. Yeah. What's that, man? Turn the key just one time. Don't start the car. Just turn it once.
That's a family friend.
Okay, it's a family friend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So here's the deal, okay? Deputy Medina's already explained it to you. We're doing a DUI investigation, okay? All right. Now's your time to be honest. Have you consumed any alcohol? Okay. Have you consumed any narcotics? Marijuana, ecstasy, heroin, cocaine, prune juice? I don't know. Anything at all. Do you take prescription medication? No? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna check your eyes, okay? Do you have any head trauma? Have you ever been told you have a TBI? You would know because that would be explained to you. It's a huge thing. So, you've never been told you had TBI? Okay. Alright. Have you ever been told by an eye doctor or an optometrist that you have what's called resting nystagmus? No? Alright. Do me a favor. Stand with your feet together like this. Perfect. Nope. Together like this. Alright. Take your hands out of your pocket. Put them down by your side. Alright? You see my pretty blue light? Alright? I'm going to move this around. Follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? Do you understand so far?
Yes.
All right. Okay, stay right there. All right, this light is going to go around in a series of circles, okay? All right? It's going to come close to your nose. I want you to let your eyes cross naturally, okay? All right? I'm not going to touch you. Don't touch me. All right? All right. Okay. All right, you can relax. Okay. Give me one second. I'll grab the tape. All right, dear. You see the pretty line we just made?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Are you comfortable in those socks you're wearing?
Yeah, I guess.
Can you walk in them?
Look, yeah. I can walk on.
Okay. All right. Deputy Medina is going to give you a set of instructions. Are you able to walk up a flight of stairs?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you have any lower leg injuries, like an artificial limb, a false leg, anything like that?
No.
Okay. You got a real leg? You got 2 real legs?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to have you stand down there. You agree that this line is relatively straight?
The yellow one?
Yeah. Relatively. Like I said, we're not perfect. We don't have protractors out here and everything, okay? Do you agree that this is as level as we can get the ground?
Level as you can get on the ground?
Level as we can get the ground, okay? We're not making you do it up there on the hill. That's why we brought you over here.
It's a little downhill, but slightly.
Okay.
It's great.
Okay. All right. With that being said, you're gonna place your left foot on the line. Okay. You're gonna place your right foot on the line ahead of your left foot, with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot.
Perfect.
Okay. Place your arms down at your sides. Maintain this position until I have completed the instructions. Do not start to walk until I've told you to do so. Do you understand these instructions so far? Do you have any questions about these instructions so far? No. Okay. When I tell you to start, take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. Turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. When you turn, keep the front lead foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps with the other foot, like so. So you're gonna have your left foot on the line, right foot.
Oh, no.
Here, Deputy Harmon is
Okay.
gonna explain that to you.
Well, Alex.
You see that? You see
All
how
right,
he's
so
doing
we're going to
it?
be in the starting position like this, okay? I'm holding the light. Your arms are down by your side. Put your arms down, okay? All right, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this yellow line, counting out loud, looking down at your feet. Keep your arms down by your side, okay? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth until you get to your 9th step. Once you get to your 9th step, leave your lead foot planted on the ground. Take a series of small steps to turn around, and then 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the yellow line, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth until you get to 9. Once you start the exercise, do not stop. Look down at your feet. Keep your arms down by your side and count your steps out loud. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. Whenever you're ready to begin, you may begin.
I count.
Yes, ma'am. You count out loud each step.
1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4, 5. Oh, I'm sorry. 5, 6, 7,
Yes.
Halfway through the test, and already the cracks were showing.
9. And now I turn around. Can I try this with my shoes on?
What's that?
Can I try with my shoes on?
Well, I asked you if you were comfortable in your socks.
Yeah.
Don't stop the exercise. I can't help you from that. That's why I asked you if you had any questions. You got to continue on.
Okay. Alright. So 9, I have to turn around. Because this is my 9th step.
Okay. Improper time.
And 9 again.
I can't tell you anything.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, you can relax.
Turn around for us. Alrighty. With that being said,
Make
we're
sure
gonna.
to annotate whatever.
Yeah. Ready. We're gonna do that same position again. Okay, with your feet together and hands at your side. All right. Can you take your hands out of your pockets for us? I know it's cold. I'm sorry, but feet together, hands at your side, like so, like that.
Yeah, so when she tells you to do so, you're going to raise either leg of your choice. You're going to have your foot parallel to the ground, approximately 6 inches, okay? You're going to look down at your raised foot, like that. Look down at your raised foot and count out loud in this manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so forth until we tell you to stop. So you're going to keep counting until we tell you to stop. You're going to look down at your raised foot with it 6 inches off the ground, arms down by your side, and keeping both legs straight, and keep counting until I tell you to stop. All right, does that make sense? Okay. Which foot are you going to raise?
Alright.
Right foot? Okay, give me 1 second.
You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015.
Alright, you can stop. Alrighty, we're gonna walk back over the patrol cars once it's safe, okay?
Alright, ma'am. You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay? Alright.
What?
Mm-hmm. Based on everything that we observed, your driving pattern, like, you're under the influence of something. Okay? You're driving the wrong way down the street with a baby in the car. Alright, here's the deal, okay? I ask this question of everybody, it's not just towards you. I promise you that, okay? Is there anything on you or inside of you that is illegal? Drugs, knives, hand grenades, pistols? Okay, because here's the thing, when you get down to the jail, you're going to go through a body scanner and x-ray machine. If they find it once you go in the jail, it's a felony. Right now we're dealing with a misdemeanor. So if you tell us now, we can take care of it. Non-evidentiary.
She came to a stop in the middle of an intersection. Red light, wrong lane, a baby in the back seat. What she thought was just a bad night on the road turned into a DUI arrest on the side of the highway. Based on the field sobriety tests, the eye exam, the walk and turn, the one-leg stand, the officer concluded she was under the influence of something. She denied everything. The tests said otherwise. She was placed under arrest and charged with driving under the influence, DUI driving the wrong way on a roadway, and child endangerment for driving impaired with a minor in the vehicle. One red light, one wrong turn, one decision that changed everything for her and for that baby in the back seat. If this video gave you something to think about, drop a comment below and subscribe for more real body cam breakdowns every week. Pura package ready hai bhai. Hook se ending tak seamlessly connected. कोई चीज adjust करनी हो बताना.